So let's check out if it actually helps you. So we're going to look at foot number 5 first. Here we go. It's got like the opening and then it's got 3 little ridges, and you can put your thread or whatever you want to use. It should be thicker thread on the top, and then there's a gap at the back so that it doesn't get stuck. So I've never used this foot before in my life, so this was a real learning curve for me too, and I had no idea how to use it and if I would actually like it. So the first thing I did was I put a knot in the back, and then I had to fiddle these apart here, the threads. And I think probably this foot is more for when you use thicker threads actually, because they will not go through a different foot, which I'll show you in a minute. And then you can sew it in, and you can use a really nice embroidery stitch. Just choose one that you like, quite wide it has to be, of course, so it covers all the threads or yarns that you put in, and then you just go over. And now I'm going to show you the first one I did, which didn't turn out so well because I hadn't reduced my tension. So that's something I've learned. The tension needs to be on 3. It kept slipping out, and I've speeded this up just so you can see how mind-numbingly horrible this was to work with. So I don't think I'll be ever using this foot again, but I don't mind because you get so many good feet with it. Now then, it's much better to use another foot, and that is a 5-hole cording foot or a 7-hole cording foot, the number 25 and 26. So you can just put whatever threads you're using through, and they will then just sit in place, and that's really beautiful. Just think of threading through maybe something for the 4th of July, so you could have like a red, blue and white theme going on there, and then if you have a really nice flowery pattern over it, I can see that looking absolutely stunning. Now, one thing that I would suggest is that if you're making it on a bodice and you want to start exactly on the start, then maybe you want to put a little piece of fabric on the end to start there, and then just run it over into the bodice, and you can cut that bit off. The starting point is the hardest, so you need to have started before you get onto your bodice. And here you can see how easily that works. It's always easy on a sample. So keep it steady, that's all you have to do. Just keep going, reduce your tension to 3, and there you are. So I would say definitely those 2 feet I much prefer to the other cording foot. I think that's a bit useless. And if you wanted to get the whole set, you can do that from Madame's Sew. All you have to do is scroll down in the description, go on Madame's Sew, and again, they don't pay me for it. They're just really good people, and they do good stuff, and they deserve your business. And you can also come on frocksandfrolics.com and see what lovely patterns we do. For every pattern, you've got lots of videos. And we also got lots of method videos that you might enjoy. And I'm going to leave you with my little vest project. Bye for now.